Hi, my name is Megan, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own oat milk at home. Now, the magic ratio here is for every half cup of oats you use, you want to use 2 cups of water. Today, I'm going to be using 4 cups of water, so I'm going to use 1 cup of oats. There's a ton of things you can add in there optionally. Today, I'm going to add some maple syrup for some sweetener and a little bit of salt just because I prefer it that way. That is up to you. The colder your water, the better. You want to make sure you're using nice cold water so you don't accidentally pre-cook your oats. And the other important thing to keep in mind is you do not want to blend this for too long. The longer you blend it, the more slimy your oat milk's going to be, and nobody wants that. Now that the oats have been blended, I'm going to take a sieve that has been lined with cheesecloth. You could also line it with flour cloth or even a clean t-shirt. And you're going to pour your oat mixture through the sieve or cheesecloth. You might have to do this twice to get all the little grainies out of it. It's very important as you're doing this to not squeeze your cheesecloth. That again is going to make your oat milk slimy, and nobody likes that. And that's it. You have now made your own delicious oat milk at home. It's creamy, it's inexpensive, and it's incredibly simple.